All right, this is Quentin. He is an especially easy block because he is super, super fat. He is so fat that there is no distinction between his head and his body. He is just one big mass. As my daughter would say, he is a chunk. So we put his head and body down. Then we pop the ears in place. And you can see that I got a little bit of change in direction in the fabric between the body and the ears. It just kind of veers a little bit, that cross-hatching print on the fabric. Then he gets a nose and a couple of squinched in eyes. I really wanted to play up the width of his head. And there you go, ready for outlining.